happy and blessed day. To give you an information about the trade-in, yes, we have a trade-in in Toyota Pasig. Ano po ba yung trade-in na yan? Trade-in, if you have your old vehicle na any brand, we accept. Yes, we accept. Like, halimbawa, isa yung Ford, Mitsubishi, Nissan, na medyo matagal-tagal na sa garahe at hindi na siya napapakinabangan masyado, pwede natin siyang i-trade in. So, ang option for trade in, you just have to book an appointment with us. Free appraisal siya. Dadalhin nyo lang yung old vehicle sa dealer namin. And then, we have 4 to 5 partners, trade-in partners na mag-a-appraise sa unit natin. Yun yung magbibigay ng appraisal value as you drop by the unit to us. Inspect siya, actual inspection siya ng partners, and then siguro around 30 minutes lang of your time, mag-spare lang tayo ng time for the trade-in to inspect your vehicle. And then, magka-come up na sila sa final appraisal value. Bakit 4 to 5 partners yung trade-in partners namin? Ang purpose nun, we have an option na makapili kung sino yung pinaka-highest bid, sino ang pinakamataas na magbigay ng value dun sa old vehicle natin. Yun ang pipiliin ng dealer namin. So, we will present to you within the day kung magkano yung magiging appraisal value, and then we proceed to the new unit na interested kayo. So, paano ba magiging process nun? So, we will offset the appraisal value sa price ng vehicle na bago kung anong unit kayo interested. Let's set an example. Halimbawa, Veloz E. So, Veloz E SRP is 1,092,000 pesos. So, like for example, ang trade-in ng old Vios nyo, like for example, is ranging ng 300,000. So, what we will do, we will less the 300,000 dun sa SRP ng bagong unit. So, makukuha nyo na lang yung Veloz E ng from 1,092,000 magiging 792,000 na lang siya. And then, we will compute from there yung magiging discount. Ililess ulit natin siya dun sa matitirang price of the vehicle na interested kayo. Like for example, ang Vios ngayon, ang Veloz ngayon, ang discount natin for cash is around 20,000. So, yung 792 less 20,000 discount pa, that would be 772. So, 772, depende yun sa inyo. Pwede nyo pa siyang gawing financing if prefer nyo, na wala na kayong ida-down payment kasi considered na yung cash out is yung appraisal value na i-offset sa price ng vehicle. O kaya naman, kung may cash pa kayo on hand and gusto nyo talaga na mas mababa pa yung magiging monthly nyo, much better. Kasi, mas liliit yung magiging utang sa bangko o matitirang loan amount ng sasakyan mo o matitirang price ng sasakyan na binibili mo. Kung makakapag-cash out ka pa ng around 100 or 200, ililess pa ulit natin yon. So, magkano na lang yung magiging monthly mo? For more information, you can contact me. Pwede ko kayong bigyan ng sample computation, especially for those na nagpaplano mag-upgrade. One of the best option is trade-in talaga kasi magkakaroon ng return yung old vehicle na syempre nag-invest din tayo doon kahit papano for a Vios na like for example 2016 or 17 model. Kung makukuha pa yun ng around 300 to 400,000, parang almost 30% din yun ng price nung brand nyo siya na binili mo. So, meron ka pa rin return of investment. Mas wais, less hassle pa yon kasi upon closing the deal, halimbawa nag-okay na kayo dun sa appraisal value ng old vehicle natin, what we will do, on the spot, pwede na nilang bilhin right away yun sa inyo, babayaran na namin siya, and we can proceed to the brand new vehicle. Kung anong unit kayo interested, either you buy it in cash or financing. So, pag may questions kayo, kontakin nyo lang ako, and we can compute a sample computation for you. Depends on your budget. So, I hope nakatulong. Hopefully, tulong sa desisyon nyo sa pag-upgrade ng brand new vehicle this year. Isa sa mga achievement this year yan. So, hopefully, ma-achieve mo yan. And that would be all. Ingat!